Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to find the relay for the rear window defroster on BMW E90 or E91. If you have a sedan or station wagon or even E92, the hatchback, the procedure will be the same. So this is, guys, okay, the rear window defroster. You can see how dirty our car is now. So if your rear window defroster does not work, we're going to show you guys, okay, how to find the relay and how to fix it. It's not very complicated procedure. It's not under the hood. It's actually inside the vehicle. Also guys, we have more than 200 videos taking things apart on this car, so please subscribe, give a like, and many more videos to come. So let me show you what you need to do now. You need to open your glove box. First, second, you need to empty everything to make sure that it doesn't have all that stuff, because they will be in the way. Now we have two turning knobs. You need to turn them 90 degrees. One here, one on this side. Pull that cover out. Now, right here, you can see all the fuses and all the relays. You have 3 relays on this side, a couple on the other one. Now, if you have the 2007 model, they might differ a little bit, but not much. So this is for a 2006 and 7 model. Now, the rear window defroster relay, guys, is the one in the middle. This one right there. So you can use, okay, needle pliers to remove it, but what we will be doing is I'll just grab it by hand. Okay, and just wiggle it out. It's really tight too, so okay, almost came out. You just need to move it a little bit left and right. Okay, let me see if it's coming out at all. Yep, just a little bit more. Those are okay, perfect, almost coming. Now just to grab it with the right hand, and I think I'll be able to slide it out. Come on. I don't think it's ever been removed. Okay, right here. This is the relay, guys. All the parts and tools that we use, including that relay, will be listed in the description of the video below, so you can check it out where we bought ours from. Now, I'll get the new one, okay, and we're ready to go ahead and replace it now. Now, installation is not very complicated, you just push it in. Also, we have a video how to test those things. So you have to make sure, okay, by testing it, that you don't have to waste your money buying a new relay. Also, you can tell if that's the problem or something else is causing your problem for the rear window defroster not to work. So I'll go ahead, install it. Those 3 teeth go on top. Okay, everything has to be lining up really good, otherwise it's not going to work. And push it in. Pushing it in is super easy. It's not as complicated. After that, just install your cover. Okay, we have that phone cable in the way here. I need to get it out. Turn those things 90 degrees to lock. And this is it, guys. So thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.